Hello, just a video for all of those Nuevo owners. We have a Nuevo 2016 twin bench. Doesn't have the bed up at the top. It's got the twin benches, and we store our stuff like this. So what we do is, just bear with me. This is the cupboard nearest the passenger seat at the front. We use this for, I've got binoculars, and as you can see, got crisps in there and some kitchen rolls. We're going away tomorrow. This is where the coffee machine lives, in this other locker. So if you're looking at it from the front, it looks like that. And then we put all our plates in this one. Now this is an office organiser for box files, but we use it for our plates and whatnot. We buy paper plates as well, just to have in case we have a snack while we're on the road, and we don't have to wash them up, we just throw them away. Also, in this, the cupboards are clear. We put our pillows in here. I haven't put them down yet because we're going away tomorrow. We put our pillows in there at night, or during the day, or when we're travelling, and we put this first overhead cupboard is where Kim puts her stuff when we're going away, and this is where I put my stuff. In the wardrobe, sometimes Kim's got stuff that needs to hang, so it goes in there. Otherwise, that's pretty much clear. And then in this drawer, we just put miscellaneous things. Like, I don't know, there's a little toolkit thing in there, there's cables, dog waste, poop bags and whatnot, first aid kit, and other things that we might need or never need, which is not normally the case. Now in here we have our spare brushes, toothbrushes. I think that's my one, Kim's one's there. So yeah, and in there we just have our usual, I don't know, stuff as well, wash your hands and whatnot. And then in this one, hold on a moment, we just put other, there's nothing in it. I don't think we ever really put much in there in case it breaks the mirror. But there's your sink, and the stuff our duvet's down there, because we sleep with this not as a double, but we just sleep with two singles, because when you have the benches in the two singles, you can have you can get up in the night without disturbing the other person if you need to look after yourself at night. Yeah, TV's up there. This TV came with the motorhome because we bought it second hand, and all the other bits and pieces, fridge and whatnot. Sometimes we stuff this when we're travelling full of tea towels, and yeah, we put our food up in this cupboard, and we've got our kettle up there. So yeah, there's some, we've got a Promax or something percolator to make coffee. Should we not be on hookup, we can just make it there with that. And that's it really. I bought these things off the internet to put your slippers in there, and it holds them in position. Now under the benches, where the what do you call it is, the pump, I think it's a pump, we keep what's under there? Oh, we've got a fan under there, and just a box with just, I don't even know what's in that box, but we must be needed. There might be some useful things in there. If we got a book we want to read, we just stick it under there, and some spare loo roll. And this here is to pump up the tyres, which is great. And I think no, that's not. That's for the, yeah, it is. It's pumping up the tyres. But I don't know where my battery thing is. I've got a battery gadget that will start the car if it's flat. But I don't know where it is. It must be in... I think it's in Kim's car. So that's that bench. And then under this one's the one where you got the hatch the other side. And it's like this. So under here we've got an air fryer, the Kodak, and my rucksack. So that's good, isn't it? Yeah, you know, just bought them things and stuck them under there. Because believe it or not, we've got outside plug on this van, an outside barbecue point. I'm sure most vans have that anyway. So yeah. Oh, incidentally, Wi-Fi internet routers in there. That router on I saw a thing on YouTube where they sell it as a package, but you can buy it all from China separately without the brand name on it. And I bought it all and set it all up with a pay-as-you-go SIM card for about £65. So, you know, I've got a little park aerial on the roof which I can't show you because I just can't be bothered to go and look at it. Yeah, so yeah, this is what we've got. And so we're just packing up now because we're going away. And yeah, I'll put the seats like this when we're on the drive, and obviously the crook lock's on. And then I bought this thing here to put drinks in. It's only cheap, but you know, you can put a can of drink in there and it's okay. Got the useless DAB radio and this other thing here which is really useful because Kim's phone's tuned into that, and it makes your radio like a you can play through the speakers from Kim's playlist on her phone. It helps all that. I don't really know how it works, but it's very handy. And there's a dash cam built into it as well. So yeah, it's pretty good. I think we paid like 90 quid for that or something like that. But there's loads of different versions of that out there. I don't know if anyone else has had this issue with the seats where they're wearing like this and this one's coming apart. So I'm going to have to probably get them re-upholstered. I don't know if it's coming out on a camera. It's got a bit weird. I think it must just be crap material. It's not leather, it's some sort of other bloody thing. But everything else seems to be wearing. I mean, the van's 2016, so you know, 10-year-old, but still looks quite good. On the outside, obviously, we've got the standard bin, the hatch, which is that's under the bench. What else? Oh yeah, we've got the van needs a wash actually. This is on the back, so I got that. I didn't buy it brand new. I bought that off of eBay. So that's just a extra bit of storage, and honestly, you don't know it's on. And previous owner, apparently these vans were only 3,300 kilograms, but after we got it, I went through the paperwork and found that it had been upplated to this sticker on here says it, and I've got some sort of certificate on the van that upgrades it from this to this. And they don't do anything, they just do it's just a paperwork exercise, but I didn't do it, so I don't know how that was done. Got aerial leads in there. Sometimes on site you've got aerials plug in, you can plug it in. And yeah, I put that hook thing on there for coats and whatnot, you know, or a dressing gown. But yeah, I'll put that on, and we're going away tomorrow to Kent. So we're going to visit Winston Churchill's house, and it is boiling in here. It's like, hang on a minute, this thing here is the controller, and we've got 31 inside the van. It was 33, but now I've opened up the doors, it's gone down. I think it's about 26, 27 outside. So yeah, we try and open the doors and windows on this on fine days all year round, just to give it a good airing. Yeah, everything in this van we got second-hand works. It always has worked. Only things we've done is I just got this thing here, which is a, I don't know if everyone probably knows what this is. This is a damp meter, and it does got the pins at the top which is covered over, but also it does this other thing as well. So you put it on a spot and it tells you, like, it reads through the thing. I don't know how it does it, but the only thing with this, and I think it must be with all of these things, if there's anything metal behind this, it goes crazy. It thinks you're like in a swimming pool. It goes 99.99 thing, and obviously then you check it with the pins. But yeah, van seems dry. I go round with this thing about once a month all year round to just make sure we got nothing, no problems, and just do this or not. But the damp checking business is very lucrative, I think, for people who worry. I just bought a damp meter and do it myself. So, hi, I'm just making a video, love. She's run away because she's got her hair up. Anyway, so yeah, we're going away tomorrow, and I don't know, we're planning 3 days, but if the weather's good, we might go for longer. Okay, just a bit of info. Cheers. Okay, done, I think.